Hello students, I am Surabhi Gupta and today we will discuss the topic polynomials. And if you like my video, kindly like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start with the topic polynomials. First thing you need to understand in polynomials is I am writing some of the expressions. I am writing some of the expressions like 3x plus 5, 2x square plus 2x plus 1, x plus 1 by root x, root 3x plus 1. Now we need to check whether these are polynomials or not. How we can check? First thing you need to understand in a polynomial is that first 3x plus 5. Here 3x, 5. These both are terms and term can be defined as a value which has a constant and a variable, a value which has only a constant or a value which has only a variable. All these three are considered as terms. And when these terms are separated with each other with the help of any arithmetic operation like plus, minus, multiply, divide, multiply, so we can say that it is converted into a expression. Okay, so this is basically a expression which we call as a polynomial, which consists of terms separated by arithmetic operation. Here the arithmetic operation is plus. Here we can apply plus and minus. Here there is division. Here these both are in multiplication. So different arithmetic operations are applied on different terms. Okay. Now next thing is that we need to understand that a polynomial is only defined when the power of the variable is positive or zero. Variable power should be positive or zero. It cannot be a negative value. You cannot take the variable power to be negative. If the variable power is negative or it is a fractional value, then it is not a polynomial. Only if the power is positive and zero, then only it is considered as a polynomial. Here the power of x is 1. It is a positive value, so it is a polynomial. Here the power of x is 2, x 1, x power 0, because anything raised to power 0 is 1 only. So these are our positive powers. So this is a polynomial. Here the power of x is 1 by 2. And when I take this x to numerator, it becomes x power minus 1 by 2. First of all, it is negative. Second is it is also a fractional part. So this is not a polynomial. This is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. Here, the power of x is positive. You just need to check the power of the variable. You don't have to do anything with the power of the constant. If the constant is in under root, no issues. Constant can be in under root. But the variable cannot be a fractional value and negative value. If the variable is fractional value, then it is not a polynomial. If the variable has positive power, then it is a polynomial. Okay. Next thing we need to understand is, so what we understood till now? We understood what are terms, their arithmetic operations, and how we can define a polynomial. Next we need to understand is coefficient. What is a coefficient? Suppose a expression expression is given to you 3x square plus x minus 1 and you have to find out the coefficient of x square. Now, whatever value is attached with x square is the coefficient of x square. Leave the x square part and whatever arithmetic operation and whatever value is attached to the x square is the coefficient. Here plus 3 is attached to x square, so plus 3 is the coefficient of x square. Suppose I have to find out the coefficient of x. Here plus 1 is attached to x, so plus 1 is the coefficient of x. Suppose I have given a value you have to find the coefficient of x cube. What is attached to x cube? Minus root 3. So minus root 3 is the coefficient of x cube. Whose coefficient is asked, leave that value and the remaining thing attached to that variable is the coefficient. Okay? Next. Degree. What do you understand by degree? Suppose our expression is given to you. This is a random expression. Suppose the expression is given to you and you have asked what is the degree of this expression of this polynomial. Whatever value of variable is highest, that is the degree of the polynomial. Here the variable has x raised to power 1. Here the variable is x raised to power 2. Which is higher? 1 or 2? Obviously 2 is higher. So degree is 2. Suppose we have given an expression like this. Here this is a term consisting of variable and constants. In this term, x bar 2, y bar 1. What is 2 plus 1? 3. X bar 1, y bar 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. You have to check the degree of each term in the expression and whatever is the highest, that will be the degree. Here 2 plus 3, 5. Which is higher, 5 or 2 or 3? 5 is higher. So degree of this expression is 5. Okay. Next. Standard form of polynomial. What do you mean by standard form of polynomial? Suppose an expression is given to you. Minus 5 plus 2x minus x square. Here there is no x, so this is the smallest value. Here x power 1. Here x power 2. Which is the highest power? 2. Starting from the highest power, you have to move to the lowest power. What is the standard form? Starting from highest power, move to the lowest power. What is the highest power? And take the arithmetic operation also along with it. What is the highest power? Minus x square. After that, plus 2x. After that, minus 5. So starting from the highest power, moving to the lowest power is the standard form of a given expression. Till now we have learned these things. Now the next part is what is a constant polynomial? A constant polynomial is which has no variable like minus 6, 1 by 2, plus 5. All these are called as constant polynomials because only the constant value is there and there will be no variable. Next, types of polynomials based on degree. First of all, linear polynomial. A linear polynomial, as the name indicates, is that polynomial in which the degree of the polynomial is 1, like 2x plus 5. Here the degree of the polynomial is 1 because 1 is the highest degree here. So this is a linear polynomial. Y minus 1 by 2. Here highest degree is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. Where the highest degree of the polynomial is 1 is known as a linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. Where the degree of the polynomial is 2. Like x square plus 2x minus 1. Here the degree of the polynomial highest degree is 2. So this is the quadratic polynomial. 3x square minus 4. Here the highest degree is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Where the highest degree of the polynomial is 3. Like 3x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1. Here the highest degree of the polynomial is 3. So this is a cubic polynomial. Cubic. Next, biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic we also called as quartic polynomial. As the name indicates, quartic. Highest degree of the polynomial should be 4. Like there is an expression highest degree is 4. So this is a biquadratic polynomial. Here the degree should be 3. Here the degree should be 2. Here the degree should be 1. Okay? So I hope students this topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.